The Samsung Galaxy A series for 2025 is finally here, and what I have with me is the Samsung Galaxy A36 and the Samsung Galaxy A56. Now, these are all the colors that are available at launch. Now, this is the hero color for the A36. This is a lilac and also a dark graphite gray color. While for the Galaxy A56 series, you'll have silver, graphite, as well as unique shade of pink. If you look at it, the A36 and the A56 look identical, but there are four big changes compared to its predecessor, the A35 and the A55. First is eSIM capability. Both models now support eSIM in addition to having dual SIM support. Now, the next big change is in the software side. Now, obviously, both phones are going to be running Android 15 out of the box, but this time around, Samsung is committing to 6 major OS updates and 6 years worth of security patches, which is a major improvement compared to last year, which was only around 4 plus 5, 4 major OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Now, this will bring better long-term value. The third big improvement comes in the form of fast charging. Both the A36 and A56 now support up to 45 watts of fast charging. Now, unfortunately, neither the A36 nor the A56 come with chargers out of box. So hopefully you already have one, because otherwise you're gonna have to buy one separately. Last but not least, Samsung brings its A game into the A series, which is now up to 6.7 inches. Still using a Super AMOLED display panel, but the brightness has been increased, now going all the way up to 1200 nits. Of course, both models are going to be coming with better and faster processors, with the A36 running on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, while the A56 is going to be running on the Exynos 1480 platform. But what about cameras? Both the A36 and A56 are going to be packing the same camera configuration with a 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS, 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, as well as a 5 megapixel depth sensor, while the front is going to be packing a 12 megapixel selfie camera. Now, that's not a big leap compared to last year, but Samsung promises better image processing, and that's where AI comes in.
Hold on, I'm on my way. Ooh, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Ooh, just me.
Like the Galaxy S25 series, AI is still the highlight of the Galaxy A series. You get all the fancy image processing stuff like AI erase, you can draw on your photo, generate AI images. Then you can also take advantage of the new features that come with Google Gemini, such as being able to translate text. You can search for your favorite songs by having your phone listen to it or by humming a tune. You can generate animated GIFs, and our favorite, which is the translation feature. Now, when it comes to memory and storage configuration, both phones are going to be coming with 8 gigs of memory and 256 gigabytes of storage. Now, the A36 will be priced at 21,990 pesos, while the A56 will be priced at 25,990 pesos. Both phones will be available starting March 17 in the Philippines. Now, if you're planning to be one of the first to get your hands on the A36 or the A56, then I have good news for you, because Samsung will be giving away electronic vouchers worth 1,500 pesos for orders made before March 30, which should be enough to cover that cost for a new Samsung fast charger. So do you guys have any questions about the all-new Galaxy A36 and the Galaxy A56? Just drop them in the comment section. We'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. And in the meantime, for more content such as this, head over to our YouTube channel, Tech Kuya, and we'll see you guys there. Paalam.